Pete talked about in his past video about what type of manager do you want to be. And I'll tell you, my management style was very easy. It was simple. First of all, I did a lot of leading from the front. Believe that I wasn't going to ask people to do anything that I wouldn't do. But I'll tell you, the building block of any leader is trust. That's where it starts. The foundation of any leader is trust. People have to trust you in order to follow you. And not only do you have to develop that trust, you have to win it. I wanted people to not necessarily work for the company, but work for me. I wanted to let them know that when I was in major corporations, the corporation wasn't going to do anything for them. I was going to be the one that did anything for them as far as advancing their career. But we had that mutual trust. They trusted me to be a leader, and I trusted them to do the job that I hired them, or they were hired to do. It's holding them responsible and holding them accountable. When you hear the word accountable, that goes two ways. Accountable as a leader, and accountable as somebody that follows a leader. I'm accountable to the way people are led and the way they feel they're led. So a lot of times it's merely of, perceiving how you are a leader, but also asking people, how they're feeling about the way that, you lead them. I think the building block, again, is trust, and never giving them any reason, and always giving them a reason to trust you, but be consistent. If you're going to do one thing, do it that one thing always. If it's a decision on any type of policy within the company, be consistent. Inconsistency is a killer of leaders. So trust is a builder. Inconsistency, it really will drag you down.